how to use pineapple to fight against end-stage kidney disease. My name is Dr. Luis Vasquez. Make sure to peel the pineapple, but also take into consideration the heart of the pineapple should not be eaten because it causes a funny, strange, awful sensation in your tongue. Okay, so just eat the surrounding area of the heart of the pineapple, and of course do not eat the peeling, right, the skin of the pineapple. Okay, now that we know that, you can eat it on a regular basis. Just slice the pineapple and eat it as frequently as you want. It will increase your kidneys percentage of function. Really, believe me. It will decrease your creatinine and urea levels, as well as it will lower your liquids in your blood streams, in your body in general. It functions, pineapple functions as a diuretic. It is indeed a diuretic. You can blend the pineapple with water and just drink pineapple water on a regular basis instead of water, instead of junk food, instead of all these beverages that are really harmful, like this black beverage. I won't say the brand because I don't want the authorities to ban this video. Okay, pineapple will help you also to decrease your blood pressure levels, which eventually will help and give some peace and space to your kidneys. For more remedies, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. If you want an evaluation by our team, we can do it. Call us on WhatsApp or give us a text, and we will be delighted to do you an assessment. Tschüss, goodbye.